you yawn after that? There was a sheet. Do you remember? George talked about there was a sheet. Oh, unbelievable. All right, first of all, guys, there's a show called Gray People. Everybody say, ooh, I've been right here on the stage for 2 more Thursdays, and there is a discount code of Amanda. You're welcome. And then there's another show called, Once Upon a Rush. Have you guys ever seen the Rush shows? Yeah, they're freaking awesome. Please get a ticket for that. Code MOUSE. So you're going to get discounts tonight because you now know the codes. Is it a deal? Say deal! Deal! Guys, I've been emceeing on 2 coasts most of my life. And you know, it's funny. It doesn't matter what stage I'm on, what the show is. There's always this universal language. It's so funny. There's always a moment. They all say the same thing. Hey, Magic Boy, when are you going to shut up and bring on the